Meet Dunny the bunny. He lives with his parents in this fairy tale forest. Dunny likes basking in the sun, crunching fresh grass, and jumping in the clearing. Today, Dunny invites you to have some adventures. Dunny is very cheerful and friendly. He has many friends in the forest. Every day, little animals come up with new amusing games to have fun together. Look how many of them gathered in the clearing today. We have a new resident in our forest, the beaver. He came here for the first time today to meet all of the animals.
Hello, well, I'm Dunny the bunny. And who are you?
Hello, I'm Beaver. I've settled here recently.
You are so big. You scared me a little at first.
You have nothing to fear. We beavers are peaceful creatures.
I have never seen any beavers. Your hind legs are so strange, webbing as if you were a duck, and such a big tail. It has no fur at all.
I live in the water. Webbing on my legs helps me swim well, and my tail helps me turn in the right direction.
I heard that you eat trees. Is that true?
I eat new twigs, various plants, bark, and acorns. Beavers use trees to build their homes. We do it with our teeth because they are big and strong. I nibble trees, but I don't eat them.
How exciting! And where's your home?
It is over there in the water, hidden near the dam. Come over.
Thank you, I will come, but I won't get into the water.
Then see you on the bank. Bye.
Oh, you climb so high. Aren't you afraid?
Of course not. We squirrels are good at jumping.
Won't you fall from there?
I won't fall. I've been living up in the trees since birth. I have strong claws, which I use to cling to the tree bark. And look at my tail. It's so fluffy and big, like a parachute. With it, I can fly from one branch to another without being afraid of falling down from the tree.
Where's your home?
Here, this is my little nest in the old trunk hollow. It is cozy and soft inside. I lined it with dry leaves and moss. I feel very warm and comfortable there.
Great. What do you like to eat?
I like seeds, buds, berries, young shoots, mushrooms, and cone seeds. Oh, and also nuts. Yummy.
How do you eat them? Nuts are so hard.
Yes, their shell is strong, but my teeth are even stronger, so I can easily break it open and feast on a nut.
Something swished in the grass. Who's there? Yes, Hedgehog came to the clearing.
Hello, Dunny. Long time no see.
Hi, where have you been?
Sleeping. We hedgehogs usually sleep during the day and go out hunting in the evening.
I see. And I go to bed in the evening. That's probably why I rarely see you.
Yes, I'm a nocturnal animal.
I see. You have thorns all over your back. Why do you need such sharp needles?
Because I'm small and I need to protect myself from big predators. When I sense danger, I curl up in a ball, and then approaching me is not that easy. My needles protect me.
And I have my fast paws to save me from predators.
I run pretty fast, too. But your legs are longer and stronger than mine. This is why I won't be able to catch up with you. I'd better go eat.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
Oh, I'm not picky. I eat vegetables, fruit, and various insects. After all, despite being small, I'm still a predator.
Do you eat carrots?
Yes, I eat carrots. Do you see my sharp teeth?
Oh, you are a real predator?
Yes, I am. I'm going to bask in the sun now. I love it. Bye. See you again.
Every day, animals come up with new adventures and entertainment for themselves. Today, they have decided to hold a competition. Who can jump the furthest? All of the forest residents came to watch the competition. Today is a very warm and sunny day, just perfect for amusing games in the clearing. Little birds have settled on tree branches and watched the preparations for the competition from there. Lizards and frogs bask in the sun on warm pebbles. Bunnies, foxes, beavers, and other animals have taken their places on the soft grass around the clearing. What do you think? Who will compete with Dunny